What are we doing today? We are changing the calipers, the brake discs, the pads, the handbrake wires. What's up?
What's up? It's pretty silent in here.
It's good. It's good that it's silent.
So we forgot our camera, right?
We forgot the batteries to our camera.
And now we're gonna use your cell phone, Ultra HD.
Yes. This is good stuff from eBay. So, we got some handbrake wires, we got some discs, and we got nice new calipers. Two of them in fact. We got brake pads. All this kit from eBay. It was very cheap. I hope they fit, so we don't hit any problems. I really want to finish this job today in here, so let's do it. Jack the car up. Here's the fucking key. Finally, the car is up. And she's up.
It's freaky.
We're not sending that one.
Yes, we are.
That's not going on YouTube.
Slide it off.
Purchase your tracks.
All right. Here we have the old handbrake wire. Let's hope the new one fits. Yeah.
Purchase your tracks. Purchase your tracks.
Well, just have to bleed the system. Hold it. All over my shoes, man. It's good.
It's done?
It's done.
No more pumping?
No more pumping. We're good.
My pleasure.
So there you have it, guys. We only changed the handbrake cable and the caliper. We could not change the disc and the pads. So we're going to do that next time. Now I'm going to do the right side. So I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. So thanks for watching.